Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Peugeot 307. This is the transmission right there, and the drain plug is on the bottom of the transmission. It's located right there. There is also a level plug and a fuel plug on this transmission. The level plug is located right there. In order to get better access to it, I'm going to remove the wheel arch liner. In your case, you don't have to remove it, but I'm going to remove it just for better view for the camera. Now we can see where the level plug is. It's located right there. From this level plug, you're not going to fuel the transmission. You're going to open the level plug and you wait for the oil to flow when you're filling it through the fuel plug, which is on the top of the transmission. First, we're going to drain the oil from the transmission through the drain plug. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Once the oil is drained, we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next, I'll show you a diagram of the drain plug, the level plug, and the fuel plug on this transmission. You can see the level plug is here on the left, the drain plug is on the bottom, and the fuel plug is on top. And you can see the tightening torques for them. I'm also going to show you what oil grade oil to use. It's 75W90 and the capacity is 1.9 liters. Next, I'll show you the location of the filler plug on this transmission. It's located somewhere there, just underneath the battery. You don't need to remove the battery, you just need to take out this air intake hose and also move the fuel filter to the side. In my case, I'm going to take out the battery because I'm doing some other job as well. And I'll show you a better view when I remove the battery, where exactly the filler plug is. First, I'm going to open this level plug, so I'm going to fuel the oil through the fuel plug, and when oil starts flowing from the level plug, that means oil has reached maximum level. And this is the filler plug here on the top of the transmission. I've already removed the battery. This is the cap for it, and now I'm going to fuel the transmission. This is the pump that I'm using. And this is the oil that I'm using, Valvoline 75W90. So I need about 2 liters of oil. The capacity for this transmission is 1.9 liters. So when I put around 1.9 liters of oil into the transmission, it will start flowing from the level hole. When oil starts flowing from the level hole, I'm going to stop pumping oil into the transmission, and I'm going to put the level plug on and then the fuel plug on. Now I'm going to put the second liter of oil into the transmission. When the oil is almost finished in the bottle, then the oil should start flowing from the lever hole. I'm continuing to pump oil into the transmission, but I'll show you how it will start flowing from the lever hole. We're still pumping, and you can see it started flowing from the lever hole, so that means we're stopping to pump the oil in. There is enough oil in the transmission. We're going to put the lever plug on and tighten it. Now we're going to remove this pump from the filler hole, and we're going to put the filler plug back on and tighten it. That's how you replace the transmission oil on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.